In 2024, you will not build a strong brand if you are still relying on traditional marketing. Did you know, according to a recent LinkedIn sales report, that about 80% of prospects will say no not once, not twice, but 4 times before they finally say yes? This is exactly why the omnichannel approach is taking off as one of the hottest trends in 2024. Hey, I'm Serge creator, and on this channel we are talking about social media marketing. So if you want to learn how to grow your brand through socials, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Today we are diving into the social media marketing trends for 2024, so let's get started. Trend number 1. Traditional marketing is officially a thing of the past. The buy, die or unsubscribe approach, gone. Today's customers are more savvy and require a lot more interactions across different platforms before making a purchase. In 2024, you will need to be everywhere at the same time. It's about creating a web of touch points. Sometimes it takes up to 40 before that first sale. So get ready to post content more often and distribute your content through more marketing channels. I know the distribution part may seem too complex. This is why we have prepared a special checklist for brands. Check out the link in the description to grab your free copy. Next, let's talk about human connection. People don't just want to buy from brands, they want to buy from people. This is actually great news for brands. It's your chance to showcase your team, your workspace, and the real stories behind your products. Your sense of humor too, of course, if you have it. Being open with your audience attracts both customers and potential employees. Recruitment marketing starts with a company culture, and you can't showcase it better than through your socials. Talking about people, buying from people, in 2024, user-generated content will be your new best friend. Honest reviews from real people are officially replacing professional commercials everywhere, even on TV. This shift is significant because it builds trust. Plus, it's budget-friendly. Then, with a bit of editing, boom, you have a great ad. Number 4. Videos are king in 2024. Weasel's report showed that 92% of marketers who use videos in their marketing strategy found that this type of content boosted traffic, leads, sales, and even reduced support requests. Today, consumers expect to see video content from brands and use it as a key part of their research and purchasing decisions. If you haven't incorporated video into your marketing strategy yet, now is the time to start. Fifth on our list is the visual appeal of your content. Last year, AI tools like Midjourney revolutionized content creation. It became so much easier for brands to create content that looked professionally done. But as AI continues to evolve, it's crucial to keep experimenting with new prompts, automations, and tools. And remember, while AI can assist in the creative process, it can't always replace the skilled eye of a professional designer. Even though AI can save you time, do not forget how important is a human touch. Another key trend we'll be seeing in 2024 is the rise of collaboration with micro and nano influencers. These influencers may have smaller audiences, right? But what they lack in numbers, they make up for in engagement and trust. Their followers see them as more relatable and authentic compared to larger influencers. This means their endorsements can be incredibly effective. For brands, working with these influencers can lead to more targeted and genuine connections with potential customers. Moving on to our last trend, responsiveness. Since 2010, the acceptable wait time for online responses has decreased by 90%. People don't wait days for reply anymore. They usually move on to a more speedy competitor. So what's the solution here? Be alert, turn on notifications, set up your chatbots, and get ready to engage instantly across all channels, including social media. This immediate engagement keeps prospects interested and shows that you value their time. Oh, and one more thing. According to a recent LinkedIn State of Sales report, 78% of salespeople say that social selling is critical to their sales strategy. And this brings us to the bottom line of this video. Social media has evolved from a trend to a necessity in the world of sales. It's more than just a tool. It's a strategy that enables you to connect with prospects in an even more meaningful way. To kill it in 2024, you should focus on building authentic relationships rather than just pushing your product. Engage with your target audience on social media, share valuable content, and actively listen to their needs. And that's a wrap on the hottest social media marketing trends for 2024. And now I'm curious about your thoughts. Have you noticed a shift towards user-generated content in your field? Are you going to give it a try? What about other trends? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's discuss. And please don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. I'm always excited to bring you the latest and most effective strategies in social media marketing. It was Serge Creator. See you in the next video.